Buying YouTube Premium with Apple gift card is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can buy YouTube Premium with Apple gift card. Well, the process is pretty simple. In order to do that, first of all, you need to redeem your Apple gift card into your Apple account. So how can you do that? So for that, you simply have to go to your App Store, and in the App Store, this is how you will see. Now here you simply have to tap on your profile, which should be in the top right corner. Now after tapping on your profile, you just have to scroll down until you see this redeem a gift card or code. After tapping on your profile, you will see option something like that. Here you have to tap on redeem gift card or code. Now after tapping on that, you can either use a camera to scan the card or you can enter the codes manually. Now after redeeming the code, you will have some funds into your Apple account. Now after that, you simply have to go to your YouTube. In your YouTube, you have to tap on your profile and then scroll down and tap on get YouTube Premium. And after tapping on that, you can actually get a try for free. Just make a payment. You just have to confirm it and your payment will be made. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.